Ever wished you could speak Korean as effortlessly as your favorite K-drama leads? Or perhaps sing along to K-pop without sounding like you're speaking gibberish? Well, today we're tackling the 5 biggest Hangul pronunciation mistakes that beginner Korean learners make, so you can sound more natural and confident. First up, let's talk about those tricky sounds that can make or break your Korean accent, the H factor with aspiration, and then the mysterious tensed consonants. Get ready to clear your throat. Please give me coffee. Ordering coffee at a cafe or asking for coffee politely from anyone.
커피 주세요.
Now you try. Formal.
커피 주세요.
Casual.
커피 줘, 키오피 줘. 커피 주세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
커피 주세요. 네, 잠시만요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The N is an aspirated consonant. It's not a soft G sound like go, nor a completely unaspirated K. It's a strong K sound where you release a clear puff of air, like KHFE. They would reply,
네, 여기 있습니다.
in K-drama, crash landing on US 1E2 at 8:30, Ri Jonghyuk orders coffee for Yoon Se-ri. It's okay / I'm fine. Responding to an apology, reassuring someone, or asking if someone is doing well.
괜찮아요.
Now you try. Formal.
괜찮아요.
Casual.
괜찮아, 괜찮네. 괜찮아요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
미안해. 다쳤어. 아니요, 괜찮아요. 다행이다.
Watch your pronunciation. The N is an aspirated consonant. It's not a soft J sound like in jam. It's like the CH in chair, but with a clear, strong puff of air. Don't let it sound like Jan. They would reply,
정말 괜찮으세요?
in K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bokju S1E5 at 23:15, Bokju tells Junhyung she's okay after an incident. Older brother, by a female / affectionate term. Calling an older male friend, brother, or boyfriend, used by females.
오빠.
Now you try. Formal.
오빠.
Casual.
오빠, OPPPA. This term is inherently casual affectionate. Its formality depends on context relationship. So no simpler version. 오빠.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오빠. 왜? 저기 좀 봐요.
Watch your pronunciation. The N is a tensed consonant. It's a hard, strong P sound, like you're holding your breath then releasing it quickly, without aspiration. It's not a soft B, like oba, or an aspirated P, like piha. They would reply,
왜?
in K-drama, reply 1988 S1E10 at 34:00, Duxian constantly calls Yoonghwan. Next, we're diving into the subtle art of Korean vowels and the notorious final consonants, known as Batchim. These can be real pronunciation pitfalls, but not for long. Excuse me / over here. Getting a waiter's attention in a restaurant, or calling for someone in a crowded place.
여기요.
Now you try. Formal.
여기요.
Casual.
여기, 여지아이, 여기요,
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
여기요. 네. 물 좀 주세요.
Watch your pronunciation. The vowel in is a mid-back unrounded vowel. It sounds closer to the ah in ra or caught than the o in go. Make sure your mouth is relaxed and open, not rounded like 4o. They would reply.
네.
In K-drama, Hospital Playlist S2E4 at 1820, Ik-jun calls for a nurse in the hospital. I don't have / it's not here. Answering a question about availability or presence of an item.
없어요.
Now you try. Formal.
없어요.
Casual.
없어, 비오피시오. 없어요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
펜 있어요. 아니요, 없어요. 알겠습니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The Batchim transforms. It's pronounced like a soft, unreleased P sound, where your lips close but no air is pushed out, before linking to the tense sound. Don't make it a harsh B or an aspirated P. They would reply.
아, 그래요.
In K-drama, Startup S1E7 at 45:10, Dalmi says she doesn't have something. Thank you. Formal. Expressing gratitude in formal situations, to elders, strangers, or service staff.
감사합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
감사합니다.
Casual.
고마워요, 고마워요, 고마워, 고마워. 감사합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
선물이에요. 받으세요. 와, 감사합니다. 별말씀을요.
Watch your pronunciation. The Batchim is not a hard B sound. It's a soft, unreleased P sound, where your lips close but no air is pushed out, before moving to the M of Emanida. Practice closing your lips without a pop sound. They would reply.
천만에요.
In K-drama, Descendants of the Sun S1E1 at 5 o'clock, UC Jean thanks a junior officer. Finally, Korean isn't just about individual sounds, it's about the rhythm, the flow, and how words connect. Let's make your sentences sing like a K-pop melody. It's delicious. Praising food, saying something tastes good, or confirming deliciousness.
맛있어요.
Now you try. Formal.
맛있어요.
Casual.
맛있어, 말세지아이시오. 맛있어요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
이거 어때요? 와, 진짜 맛있어요. 다행이다.
Watch your pronunciation. The Batchim links to the sound. It's pronounced as shurcio, not masadioyo. The sound should be tense, like a sharp SS sound, not a soft S. They would reply.
맛있게 드세요.
In K-drama, Let's Eat S3E1 at 10:15, Dae-young exclaims about the taste of street food. Really? / is that so? Expressing surprise, disbelief, or asking for confirmation in a casual but polite way.
진짜요.
Now you try. Formal.
진짜요.
Casual.
진짜. 진재이요. 진짜요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
저 한국어 시험 합격했어요. 진짜요. 네, 진짜예요.
Watch your pronunciation. The N is a tensed consonant. It's a sharp, strong J sound, like the J in jump but without aspiration. Also, remember to raise your intonation at the end for a clear question. They would reply,
네, 진짜예요.
in K-drama, Hospital Playlist S1E6 at 2:30, Junwon reacts with surprise to news from his friend. Hello/how are you? General greeting to anyone, regardless of age or status, most common greeting.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕, 언녕. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 네, 안녕하세요. 잘 지내셨어요?
Watch your pronunciation. The N is often dropped or very subtle, especially in natural, fast speech. Don't overaspirate it like a hard H in English. It's more of a gentle breath or even silent after in connected speech. They would reply,
네, 안녕하세요.
in K-drama, Goblin S1E1 at 1 o'clock, Ji Eun-tak greets her aunt and cousins. Quick quiz. How do you politely ask for coffee, please in Korean, ensuring you aspirate the first consonant correctly? The answer is Kyo Pai Jueseo. Here's everything you learned today. And there you have it. 5 common Hangul pronunciation mistakes, conquered. By focusing on these traps, you're already on your way to sounding more like a native speaker and truly immersing yourself in Korean culture. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.